Hey guys, how's it going? Hey man, happy Memorial Day. I hope you're well, you and your families, and your loved ones, and the creatures you share life with. I hope you're well. I hope you're thriving. Happy Memorial Day, man. Me, I'm sitting in my happy place, chilling, pondering the meaning of life, pondering, I wish I had a wobbly pop or three. Here, man, you want to see something? I'm pondering work. Not the type I used to do, the type out here, man. Ooh, it's in the mid-90s last time I looked. I got my happy little landscaping shit done. Jed's in the... Hell, he doesn't even want to work. It's too hot. Here, man. How very rude of me. Hang on. Let me pause you. I pause you. Ah, baby boy came back. No, I've been sitting in my little chair here doing my thing, thinking how these hands can bring great healing. You know? Thinking about machines I like to restore and repair, electronic and mechanical. Thinking about the glory days of when I was a biomedical engineer, which of course makes me think about Al Bundy. Al Bundy, sitting in his chair watching football forever, locked in his glory days of when he threw that one game-winning touchdown pass, right? Utterly pathetic, too stupid to realize that, too ignorant to care, too self-centered to care if he had awareness. His wife, same thing, kind of pretty, aging like he is, but in her case, gracefully and with humor. Old Al, sitting in his chair, although it's a nice comfy recliner, scratching his balls. Al Bundy scratching his balls while sitting in his chair. I've truly become Al Bundy. Now, I don't sit in my chair, not out here in the garage anyway, scratching my balls. But I might. Take care, 73, and with all my heart, happy Memorial Day to each and every one of our brave soldiers that served in the various wars, which includes my dad, who drove an ambulance in Germany, wartime Germany. My mom, who enlisted as well, served on an airfield in Texas where they trained future pilots, then flew them to their destination. My mom one time said, while I didn't serve an active role, a dangerous role, at which point I said, well, Mom, maybe that's how you maybe that's just what you tell people, but I think we both know that there are very, very few locations in the U.S. that they would have loved to have destroyed more, where we train our future combat pilots. Right. That was before we deployed the big firecracker on Japan. All we had was air superiority, man. I thank each and every one of those brave men and women. And it doesn't matter what nation on earth you're from. War is ugly. War is evil. Those men and women that die, and innocent civilians for that matter, in the service of other nations. Who are they? They're you and me, man. They're human beings. Their hopes and dreams are ours. Their likes and dislikes, although different, are the same at the heart of it. Their families, they love them just as much as their families love them. We're all the same. So on this American Memorial Day, I remember and pay thanks to those who gave their lives in an ugly-ass war, no matter what nation they're from. I don't think anybody could have a problem with that. I sit and contemplate life in 95-degree heat. 73.